Welcome back to my channel, friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this cute bear applique. Grab your hook and let's get to it. For this project, you can use any yarn you like. I used a cotton yarn with glitter insert as the main color. You will also need a second color to crochet the bear's nose, and also some thread for eyes and nose details. I'm using this green thread, but you can use any dark color. I'll be using a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and tapestry needle. Grab your supplies and let's get started. We'll start our project with a magic ring. Once this is done, chain 3. Tighten ring. Work 11 double crochet into the ring. Please note that I'm using US terminology. In UK terminology, this is a treble crochet. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we'll have 12 double crochets in total at the end of the round. Keep working your 11 double crochets and we'll meet you at the end of the round. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet of the round. Chain 3. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Two double crochets in the following stitch. Carry on with this pattern. 2 double crochets in each stitch of the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the next 15 stitches. That's how it looks so far. Skip 2 stitches. Work 7 treble crochets into the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Slip stitch into the next 8 stitches. Let's do the second ear. Skip 2 stitches. Work 7 treble crochets into the next stitch. Keep going until you've done 7 treble crochets. Skip 2 stitches, slip stitch into the next 15 stitches. Leave a long tail and cut yarn. Pull yarn through. We'll do an invisible join. Take your tapestry needle. Insert tail. Insert needle into the first stitch of the round from the front. Insert needle into the back loop of the last stitch of the round. Pull yarn to tighten. That's it! Let's secure tail at the back and move on to the bear's nose. Sew in tail to secure. Our bear head is completed. Let's work the nose as well. We'll use the second color for the nose. In my case, that's white. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Work 11 double crochets. Just double-checking my stitch count to make sure I have 12. In total, including the chain. Close ring. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet of the round. Chain 1. One half double crochet in the same stitch. One half double in the next stitch. Two half doubles in the following stitch. 1/2 double in the next. 2 half doubles in the next. 1/2 double in the next. Continue pattern to the end of the round to half doubles. 1/2 double. Slip stitch into the top of the first half double of the round. Chain 1. Leave a long tail and cut yarn. Due to the working pattern, this piece is not flat and this is how it's supposed to look like. Don't mind this small tail. We'll hide it inside when we sew it in. We need to sew in the details of the nose using dark thread. We need to approximate our position, but we always double our lines. It will take some time, but we need to fill this space. I think we're finally done. Secure thread at the back and don't worry about the mess. It will be all covered. Nose is done. Next step is sewing it to the head. For a clean attached, sew into each stitch around. Secure tail at the back and cut off yarn. Final step is to sew in the eyes. We'll approximate position of the eyes as we've done with the nose. Our bear is done and it looks so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.